Good morning. Wednesday. Yeah, it's been a while since we've had a video. And I know you're looking at black. Ooh, there's some lights from the neighbouring farm. But, good God. If I shut up rambling, you might be able to hear how windy it is. And you might be able to hear the hook creaking. And, oh my God. Can't believe the wind just went quiet then. Look at 4 little lights instead. And the 4 little lights moving, by the way, is not obviously my pearl iPhone skills. That's the gales. Might be quietening down actually. Okay, that's enough. Alright, bye for now.